My name is Rana Dajani. I'd like to introduce myself by saying that I play five roles in my life, and I represent my roles not in a hat, but in a scarf because I wear a scarf. So I talk about my five scarves. First and foremost, I'm a mother. I have four children who are grown up now, and I think that's the most important role I can undertake to contribute to humanity, to a better world. Second, I'm a teacher and an educator. I was a school teacher for 10 years. And then as a professor now, I also love teaching. I embark on a journey of learning and meeting wonderful, amazing people and we learn together to be critical thinkers and curious. My fourth scarf is I'm a scientist. I study epigenetics of trauma and what is the impact of that on future generations, especially looking at the positive aspect, building resilience and understanding the evolutionary mechanism behind it. I also study ethnic populations looking for rare diseases and the genetics of those rare diseases. Fourth, I'm a social entrepreneur. I started a program called We Love Reading in Jordan that has spread now to 63 countries around the world because it's based on shared universal values that changes the mindset of the child and the adult into a mindset of I can by volunteering to read aloud in the mother tongue. And our program is about changing mindsets through reading to create change makers. And we do research to make sure that what we're doing is right and that we can learn from it. My fifth scarf is I defend human rights, starting with women and then vulnerable communities around the world, specifically refugees, because Jordan is the home of many, many refugees. I myself am half Syrian, half Palestinian, the daughter of refugees. So learning from my experience and drawing from it to make the world a better place. What I aim to do in this fellowship is to redefine what social entrepreneurship means in the context of the history and the culture of Jordan and the Arab world. And as I do that, I want to create an enabling environment, an ecosystem that helps social entrepreneurs understand what they are about and how they can create change, especially system change, not the change that it's a band-aid, but starting from the grassroots. And lastly, how, as we connect these network of social entrepreneurs in Jordan and the Arab world, how can we as social entrepreneurs and change makers advise governments so that they can better work towards achieving the SDGs, about addressing climate change, and about working and combating the COVID-19 pandemic that is going to stay with us for quite a while. And it's all about teamwork, interdisciplinary research, having the courage to ask questions, to be critical thinkers, and to listen and respect each other. I look forward to learning and sharing and creating networks so that as humanity and across the globe, we can create a better future for future generations.